The nice people at Humhold sent me this ice maker, and now I am going to show it to you. The Humhold ice maker is quick to start up. It has a timer function. It has a preset function. It is self-cleaning, I guess, because it says it has a cleaning function. And it makes 2 different sizes of ice. First thing on top that you see is the user manual. Out of the box, it is a shiny black. It is a nice looking piece of kitchen equipment. Take off the tape, get inside. Of course, it comes with a scoop and an inner catch basket. You plug it in, it comes to life. The Humhold ice maker will make you 15 kilos, that's 33 pounds of ice within a 24-hour period. Whether it's for a party or a barbecue or just because it is a hot summer day in Los Angeles like it is today, the Humhold ice maker can produce enough ice to keep you cool no matter what. I'd like to thank the Humhold company for sending me this ice maker so that I could make this video for you. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment, and even if you didn't enjoy the video, I want you to have a nice day, a nice week, a nice year, a nice life.